Now let's do the incline push-up, a great exercise for the lower chest muscles. You can perform this exercise on any stable surface like a bench, chair, or even a sturdy table. Place your hands shoulder width apart on the surface, ensuring your body is in a straight line from head to heels. Your arms should be fully extended, and you can adjust the angle of your body based on your fitness level. Higher surfaces will be easier, while lower surfaces will be more challenging. Keep your core tight and your glutes engaged to maintain that straight line. As you lower your chest towards the surface, keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle from your body. Stop just above the surface, then press through your palms to return to the starting position. Focus on controlled movements and proper form. Let's aim for 12 to 15 reps.